What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the Animal Adventure Channel, where we give you facts and info about animals. Here is a little pest eater. This is the nursery grape spider. So I know in the last video I said they are megalomorphs, but they are not. They're actually araneomorphs. So what they'll do is they'll wait for prey to get inside their web that they've created there, and then once they feel the vibrations, they will pounce on the prey. Now, underneath, you can see those two little things are called pedipalp. They almost act like feelers for the spider. Yeah, yeah, that's cool. Now, a bit of a fun fact: the more diverse of spiders there are, the more balanced the system is. How cool is that? Very cool. Oh.